So let's start with the most basic question. What is AEM? AEM stands for Adobe Experience Manager. Now, instead of using technical definition, let me explain this with a simple modern example. Imagine a large restaurant or a cloud kitchen. As a customer, you don't see what happens inside the kitchen. You only see the final dish that is served to you. But behind the scenes, a lot is happening. Someone decides the menu. Someone prepares the food. Someone checks the quality. And only after approval, the food is served. AEM works exactly the same way, but for websites. Content is created behind the scenes, it is reviewed and approved, and only then it is shown to the users on the live website. So AEM is not just a tool to build web pages, AEM is a content management system designed for control. It helps companies make sure that nothing incomplete, incorrect, or unapproved ever reaches the customer. That's why large enterprises use AEM. Because when many teams work on the same website, you need a system that brings order, safety, and consistency. So, whenever you heard the word AEM, don't think of a complex software. Think of it as a professional kitchen for your digital content.